through TKS Sirangovan. I would request the members, please see to it that everybody confined to the time, 1 minute, 2 minutes this way, that way. The two for smaller parties should be given, for others also, and see to it that the entire debate is concluded before 5:30.
Thank you, sir.
Please, Rangavanji.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir. Sir, the special economic zone
And
idea
afterwards,
was
reply and voting.
conceived by Mr. Murasoli Maran. He was Industries Minister at the center during the BJP government. Then an act was brought in during the UPA government. The question is not about the act. It is the urgency with which this amendment is brought. Sir, an ordinance,
438.
normally called a presidential legislation, is brought when there is great requirement. Otherwise, what is the purpose? See, if I can read out, if in a special economic zone, an undivided family, a cooperative society, a company, a firm, property concern, and association of persons, local authority, Hindu undivided family, cooperative association, if all these people could not do anything, then you can call a trust to do something there. But what is the urgency? This was brought in March. The ordinance was passed in March of this year. The thing is, what is the outcome of the present special economic zones in the country? What is the result, net profit they are making? What is the activity they are doing? Everybody is comparing China with India. Sir, there is one basic difference between China and India. China is concentrating more on manufacturing industries, but India is concentrating more on service industries. Service industries may bring profit to the owner, may bring tax to the government, but no employment is generated in a service industry. But in a manufacturing industry, employment generation is there. For the past 5 years, this government had helped promote service industry more than the manufacturing industry. In Tamil Nadu, we had a special economic zone where we had brought many motor vehicle industries. Samsung had come there, Motorola had come there. So many industries had come in the special economic zone. The idea was mooted by Mr. Murasoli Maran. It was fully utilized by the DMK government in between the years 1996 and 2001. But after that, there are no new manufacturing industries. Without manufacturing industries, there is no use in having special economic zone. We have developed 3 or 4 special economic zones, particularly in our state, Tirunelveli district. It is still a barren land without any activity. There is no government support. If this trust will bring in any investment in that part of the country, we can welcome it. But it is not going to do. See, the special economic zones, the people who are putting up industry in a special economic zone have certain concessions. They can import goods without duty. They have income tax concessions. They have many concessions. These units which are put up there are making use of the concessions but not giving anything in return to the country. That is the question. See, now, before amending the act, the government should have studied. There was also a report by a committee specially appointed to go into the affairs of the special economic zone. What impact the government had understood from the report, the government had not placed before the House. But without considering all these things, just bringing in a legislation, an ordinance, sir, particularly this government, many ordinances have come. When one bill was not passed by this upper house, immediately an ordinance will come, which means the government wants to do something. It is sort of an insult to the parliament. That is what I feel. Why ordinance? When one bill, you have a majority in one house, the bill is passed there. There are discussions, there are amendments to that same bill. that should be accepted. Immediately they will bring a new ordinance and then a new bill. That is what had happened in Triple Talaq. That is what had happened in many of the bills. The government wants to subvert parliamentary system and do something on their own, which is highly condemnable. I oppose this amendment, sir. Thank you.